Hey, how's it going, everyone? I just want to show you guys how it's like rolling with the crew. Just rolling with my ladies. They're funny. They love to just follow me around and little gang around here. It's funny. Just want to show you guys. Just walking along the yard, checking on the fruit trees. This is my finger lime here, just covered in fruit. I have a little Budda hand right here. I'll show you guys another one right here. And look, the ladies are just rolling with me. I'm taking them back inside right now, and we're gonna get them ready for bed. I love how they try to keep up. It's so cute. Alright, you guys, I'll see you later. I stop, they stop. Alright, adios.